Today is a special video tutorial to teach you how to brew your tea using the espresso machine. So yes, if you do have a coffee shop with an espresso machine, do not use your espresso machine just to brew your coffee. You can also use it to brew your tea. We have two types of jasmine green tea at Chao. One is the Thai jasmine green tea, which is perfect for milk tea drinks. And the other one is the regular jasmine green tea, which is perfect for fruit tea or as base for other flavored milk tea drinks. Since we are going to use the espresso machine, I'll give you a little bit of an introduction to the use of the portafilter. So usually they come in two sizes of baskets. So one is the single basket. This is normally used for single shot espresso. And you have the double basket, which is normally used for double shot espresso. For the tea, I recommend to use the double basket because it will give the tea some room to grow or to bloom. Okay, so the recipe for my Thai jasmine green tea would be our jasmine green tea, and we are going to use sweetened condensed milk and also evaporated milk. Now, are you also able to use or replace evaporated milk with fresh milk? That's also fine. Now, evaporated milk just gives it a bit more creaminess and richness. And also, I like to make my jasmine green tea with a little bit of vanilla syrup. So I'm going to use a store-bought or commercial vanilla syrup for this purpose. We are going to make two sizes so that you can see the difference between the two, 16 and 22. And I'm going to use some Konjac pearls as sinkers for this drink. So we'll start by pulling our tea. This is a coffee scoop, which is equivalent to 4 teaspoons. 1 scoop of my tea, level scoop. You don't need so much because green tea is quite strong. So I'm going to pull 5 ounces or 150 ml of green tea from this. $150 ml of brewed green tea. So as mentioned to you, you can see that the leaves have actually bloomed and occupied the whole basket. So that's why I was recommending to use a double basket when you brew your tea. Okay. For my 22 ounces cup, I need a little bit more tea because here I pulled 150 ml. I am going to use 1 full scoop of my green tea, and this time I'm going to pull 6 ounces or 180 ml of brewed tea. So when you use the portafilter, just wiggle it a bit or shake it a little bit so that your tea will be even. There is no need to tamp like the coffee. So this is for my 22 ounces cup. Now it's time to assemble our drinks. We'll start with our 16 ounces. For 16 ounces, once again, it is 150 ml of tea, and then we're going to add 30 ml of sweetened condensed milk and 15 ml of evaporated milk. So into our glass. And then to this, I add 15 ml or half an ounce of my vanilla syrup. So that's 1 pump is 5 ml. So I'm going to pump 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. That is 15 ml of vanilla syrup. Now let's make the one for 22 ounces. And for this, I am going to need 40 ml of my sweetened condensed milk. I'm so used to using milk syrup, but this time I just want to show you how to do it using separate sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. And then my evaporated milk, 20 ml. There's 40 and 20, making, you're using milk syrup that's 2 ounces or 60 ml into my green tea mix. 1, 2, 3, that's 15 ml of vanilla syrups. Because I want to make a Thai jasmine green tea latte macchiato, that means with a milk foam on top, I'm going to use a milk foam. So what you do is to use fresh milk, just fill it halfway, and then, as usual, repump. Now, for those of you wondering why your milk foam is not thick enough, the way to do it is that you actually put it in the ice box or in the refrigerator for a few seconds so that the milk will be thicker. So that's what I'm going to do. There you have it, 2 deliciously looking Thai jasmine green tea latte with brown sugar topping. Wow. If you're looking for jasmine green tea latte, you must use only Thai jasmine green tea. There's nothing like it. It is delicious. Delicious. Well, this should be the same. It's just a little bit more double dose or triple dose of Thai jasmine green tea latte with brown sugar topping. Delicious. I simply love the caramelized sugar on top. It adds a lot more excitement, not just a little bit. So there you have it, 2 different recipes for the same Thai jasmine green tea latte. This is a cheaper option than preparing matcha green tea latte. So you can have 2 options, one using matcha green tea latte and another is a simpler milk tea using Thai jasmine green tea. Do try these recipes at home. Very simple to make. If you do not have an espresso machine, you can also use the same proportion of tea and the same proportion of water, except that you steep your tea in the water for at least 10 minutes. Try these recipes at home in your milk tea or coffee shops and let me know how it goes for you. Like and subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.